Okay, guys, example 4, more of the same, just like example 1, 2, and 3. So we've got, and you're going to invest $150 each week at an interest rate of 3.23% compounded weekly, and we want to know the account balance after 5 years. You guys notice that you're depositing weekly and it's compounded weekly, just like I've been saying, it's always got to match. Okay, that periodic deposit on this one is $150. We're going to convert our rate, 3.23. I feel like we already did 3.23 today. Maybe it's all starting to run together for me. 3.23 divided by 100 is going to turn into the decimal 0.0323. So I'm just going to make a note up here at the top that my rate is 0.0323. Sorry about the bad writing. My times compounding, the end value here is weekly. And so if something's happening weekly, that's 52 times a year. And then I'm not going to write it out. We just are going to label our time value at 5 years. You guys, if I were you, I would probably write P equals 150, R equals, N equals, T equals all the way down. Okay, now we're going to plug in to our nice little formula. That ending account balance for a periodic deposit looks so lovely. We're going to have that periodic deposit amount in this time, it's $150. We're going to open up 2 parentheses after that and put in our 1 plus R over N. So my R value here is 0.0323 divided by the N value of 52. Excellent. The exponent here, the NT, is going to be 52 for N, and the time value that they gave me was 5. Okay, typing that all or writing that all down just like it looks. And then on the end of this numerator, you've got to have -1 with a closed parentheses, okay? Denominator for this one is going to look like R over N. So same fraction, 0.0323. It's like I can almost write there, divided by 52, okay? I'm going to go to Desmos and I'm going to type this in exactly like we set it up. If you guys are writing this down, that makes your life a lot easier. Starting with the fraction bar, I got a $150 deposit, 2 parentheses, 1 plus my rate of 0.0323 divided by the number of times compounded, and that was going to be weekly. So 52 in the denominator, end parentheses, and raise it to the power of NT. 52 was my end value, and we're going to leave this, or we're going to deposit this money every week for 4 years. That's still in my exponent, so I'm hitting the arrow key over so that I can type in that -1 with the final parentheses that it's reminding me I needed to have. How to close it off. And then in the denominator, we have R over N. So that's just 0.0323 divided by 52. Nothing crazy there. You guys, we are going to round this. So 33,294 and 0.177 should round up to 0.18. So my final account balance at the end of 4 years should be 33,294. And 0.177 is going to round up to 18 cents. That's what I thought I said, but I just wanted to verify. 33,294 and 18 cents. Final answer for my balance.